Hey everyone, let's talk about the even function in Google Sheets. The even function will round a number to the next highest even integer. So, as you can see here, we supply the function with a single argument that is a number. Although simple, this function can be very useful, so let's explore a couple examples using the even function in Google Sheets right now. As you can see here, we are given a list of numbers that we need to round up to the next even integer. To do this, let's go to this column, type equals, and then call our even function. Then let's click on our cell to the left that we want to round up to the next highest even integer. Clicking enter, we can see that 3.1 is rounded up to 4 as we expect. Now, in our second example, we have 2.9, which you could expect would round down to 2, as it is technically our nearest even integer. However, as we stated earlier, this function will only round up to the nearest more positive or more negative even integer. Therefore, we get 4 again. To demonstrate this in the negative direction, our even function will round this negative 0.01 to a negative 2. If you apply the even function to an already even integer, the result will just be that even integer. However, if it is not exactly that integer, and even the tiniest bit larger, the function will move you up to the next nearest integer, which you can see here. Lastly, as we also stated earlier, if we enter a non-numeric value as our argument, then the result will be an error, as you can see here. I hope that this video helped you learn something about the even function within Google Sheets. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and consider checking out our YouTube memberships by clicking that join button down below. However, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the information I provided in this video, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to address your concerns.